Hey guys, welcome back to RSCARPREMIUM. So we have got a basic Kia Carens to get it light upgraded. So customer was facing a completely light issue because we don't get a fog light and the headlights are with halogen bulb. So he asked us like what kind of lights we can go. So what we suggested with headlight, you can go for an H4 bulb or you can go for an headlight projector. So customer told me I wanted a really good brightness, so I will go for an headlight projector. The one more concern he raised was, sir, I'll be going into an more foggy regions, what might be the other solution? So we have given our RSCARPREMIUM auxiliary light. On the headlight we have gone with a Genome Z Pro and with RSCARPREMIUM A200 model. So let's go and check how the process has been done for the headlights as well as on the auxiliary lights. If you guys wanted to get a car upgraded with good lighting solution, please reach out to RSCARPREMIUM.